this video I'm going to show you where you can see your Twitch revenue. My name is Tree and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. Before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. If you have any questions about streaming, feel free to hop in or join our Discord, the link is down below in the description. To see our revenue, we need to be at least a Twitch affiliate or a Twitch partner, because otherwise you don't get money on Twitch, sadly enough. If you haven't made a Twitch affiliate yet, I have a playlist that's definitely gonna help you make it, right in the card above. So what we need to do is we need to go to our Creator dashboard. Click on the top right and click on Creator Dashboard. Then on the left we see something called Insights. Click on that and then click on Channel Analytics. Right here I have to blur a lot. This is not because I don't want you guys to see it, but that's because in the TOS it says that I can't actually show these stats to you guys, so get ready for a lot of blur. What I can show you guys is how you can actually find it. Here you can see your stats from the last 30 days. It will automatically say that for you as well. What you can do in the top here, we can actually set a date. So if you want to know how much you made in October, you can only select October and then update it. Now it only says from the last 18 days. We can also say we want to see it only from September and update it, and now we see only September. On the right side we will automatically see our revenue. If you don't, you can click on these little arrows here and you can set it on revenue. Oh boy, this is going to be a lot of blurring. But yeah, so we can see your revenue here. If your revenue is under $100, you're not going to get paid this month. But if you want to see when you're going to get paid or how much you have made in total, what you just do is here in the top, you select the date that you started streaming. So for example, we started streaming in July the 1st. And now what we're going to select is the 18th of October, because we want to know how much we have been making until October the 18th. Then we update this, and then on the right we will see the actual revenue from the July 1st to October the 18th. If that's at least 100, then at the end of the month you will be paid. If it's not 100 yet, you're gonna have to save up a little bit further, and then when it actually hits 100, then at the end of the month you will get the payment. You won't be paid immediately after the month, so if you reach the $100 in October, what happens is you need to wait 15 days to be paid. So you're gonna be paid 15th of November. If you made it the end of September, you will be paid the 15th of October. If you've made it the 13th of October, you will be paid the 15th of November. If you made it the 1st of November, you will be paid the 15th of December. I hope this was kind of clear. I have another video about Twitch payout if this wasn't clear enough, because it is kind of confusing to a lot of people. I'll leave that here in the card above for you. If you want to know more ways of making money as a Twitch affiliate, I'd love to see you in this next video about how to make money as a Twitch affiliate.